Hello everyone, I'm Laura from Outline Italy. We're so excited to be back at InfoComm 2026. We've been missing for the past 11 years, so this is a very big moment for us. This is why I will present to you our newest product. This is the H series loudspeaker system. We first introduced the H column, which stands for Hercules column, because it's very, very powerful. This is a passive cardioid column that you can see here, and at the top you have two horn-loaded drivers. This one is very specific for vocal reinforcement in acoustically challenging spaces. But we realize that oftentimes in those same places where you need vocal reinforcement, you also have music. And this is why this year in 2026, we also introduced the sub. This is a fully cardioid system with the sub. This is a 10-inch sub that can be used as cardioid, but also as omni, because we use this kind of system in, of course, business settings, but those business settings that oftentimes turn into, a little bit of a DJ set, where the DJ can have the omni configuration and get a kick that really stands out for them. So yeah, if you want to find out more, you can find this product and our full range on outline.it. Thank you.